Hello buddies, let me quickly show you all another easiest or simplest way you can mince your meat. If you don't have a blender, if you don't have a meat mincer or a food processor, this is an easy hack. So I bought this meat for 500 naira and people were like saying, so they still sell meat 500 naira for this part of the country. Anyways, this is what you need. This hand grater, you can use this type or you can use the ones that is those ones that you can stand, so anyone you want to use. So find the smaller part of the grater and then you take your beef or your chicken, any meat at all that you want to grate or want to mince, but make sure that those meat doesn't have all those tendons, ligament, all those tough part of the meat. Okay, just the fleshy part. Then just move it across the that smaller part of the hand grater and all that. You have your minced meat for your meat pie, for anything that calls for minced meat. You can just do it at home and use it for your business, and it's super easy. Like, if you love this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.